Hello everyone, welcome to Sam's Android Classroom. For today, we are going to continue the topic of data transmitting with Firebase Realtime Database. But for this time, we are focusing on how to insert data to the Firebase, just like SQL database you are familiar with. And also, we are gonna change the value of some specific position. Okay, let's check out the demo first. Here's my Firebase console. And when I click on Insert button, the apple, this string will be uploaded to my Firebase database. And if I click again, it just keeps inserting the same value to it. And also, if we click on the second button, it's going to change the second apple to kiwi. Yeah. So before we get started, let me clear the data first. Okay, perfect. So here's my main layout. One text view for displaying the text coming from the Firebase database, and the button for inserting the data. And the second button is for changing the value of some specific position. So let's wire them up. And next, we are going to set on click listener to the insert button. But before that, we first need the root reference of the Firebase database. Database reference, root reference, Firebase get instance get reference. And also we create a child reference called fruits reference. We give it a key called fruits. So now we can use the fruits reference to push and then set value, pass in apple. With that, we just finished the function of inserting a single string value. And also, we are going to get it back and display the data to our text view. So we press Ctrl and O, type in on star. We use the fruits reference to add value event listener to listen for the data change. We use for each loop. To go through each element of the data snapshot. But before that, we need the string builder to build the text. If you are not familiar with this part, you can check out my previous video. Okay, let's run it. So when I click on insert, apple will be uploaded to my Firebase console. And you notice this time each element will become an individual reference inside our fruits reference, and the Firebase database will automatically assign a unique ID to each of these value element. So the next part, we are going to change, for example, the second value to kiwi. Okay, let's do it. First, we set the on-click listener to our change button. But before we do anything, we need to cache the data snapshot first. We are going to save it into a global variable. We call it fruit snapshot. Yeah. And back to our onClick method, we also need an index. We need that to locate the position we want inside the fruit. So we again use the for each loop, data snapshot, child snapshot, but this time it's fruit snapshot. And inside this for loop, we are going to increase the index so that for each loop, the index is representing the position of the fruits. And when the index equals to the position we want, for example, it's 1. 0, 1 is the second place, right? And we first get the data reference of the element. Call it current fruit reference, get ref, and we use that reference to set value. Kiwi. Yeah, that's it. Let's test it. Okay, so let's try inserting one more apple. Okay, so we are going to change the second, which is here. Here we go. Let's try another position. Say it's 3. 3 means 0, 1, 2, 3. It's gonna be the fourth position. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. It should be here. Let's try it. Here we go. Yeah, perfect. So that's all. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you next time.